Hey, what's up, you guys? It's SoCal Hunting and Fishing. It's September 2nd. Yesterday was opening day season in Southern California for upland game bird dove season, and hopefully we get lucky today. And about to head to our secret location. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Just got here to the location. See if we see anything. Wish us luck. Finally got one down, still walking. It's about 8:30 now. I'm walking for about an hour and a half or so, and successful. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, you guys? Just giving you a little update. So far, we're successful. We got 2 doves. Yesterday was opening dove season, upland game bird right here in Southern California, and this is the second one we just got. Where you at? Yeah. Second one. So we got 2 so far, 2 doves. So far so good. I'm gonna keep pushing and see what else I can get out of here. I'll keep you guys updated. It's snake shed. Crazy, man. Check this out. So I gotta be careful out here. Ooh, and it's fresh. It's wet still. Oh, it ripped. Check it out though. Rattlesnake skin. So I gotta be careful out here. Just walking, putting in miles. Gotta look for them, man. You gotta put in miles. So far, it's fun though. And look at this big hawk that I just seen right now. Look at this big old hawk. See if I can get it on video. Right there, look. Got my buddy over there walking on that side. I'm walking on this side. Well, we were successful today out in Southern California. We got 3 doves within about 2 hours or so, and started sprinkling a little bit, and it went really good this year. And gonna try to go this afternoon, maybe around 5 or 6 o'clock, probably for afternoon hunt, see how it goes. And thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and little by little I'm gonna post more videos. Next month is October, opening deer season. So out in California we hunt in October, so about 3 more weeks or so, and it's gonna be deer season. You guys are gonna expect another video out in some other secret locations. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and good luck to everybody out there that's hunting, and archery people, rifle people. Good luck to everybody, and stay safe out there, and enjoy the outdoors. Thank you for watching.